So this right here is the Bass Pro Shops Extreme Baitcaster Combo. It's actually my brother's combo, but today I want to give a quick overview of it and my thoughts on this combo. For one, it has 7 bearings in the reel, which is pretty nice considering that this is, again, under $100. So the first thing I would like to say about this combo is that you can get this combo right now for under $100 at Bass Pro Shops. It's normally $150, but right now I think it's on sale for like $90. So not only is this under $100, but it also has some pretty cool features. It also has a pretty good gear retrieve ratio. I believe the gear, yeah, it's 5-to-1 gear retrieve ratio, which is really nice considering that normally the cheaper bait casters have slower gear retrieve ratios. This has, I think this has the same gear retrieve ratio of, I think the SLX, Shimano SLX has a similar gear retrieve ratio, if I do remember correctly. Now, another thing about the rod, it's 7 foot, medium heavy, I believe. Yeah, medium heavy, 7 foot, but really nice action to it. I have a crankbait tied on this only because I have nothing else rigged up right now. I've been using this just a little bit, and my initial thoughts are it's really great, and this would probably be my #1 recommendation for a baitcaster combo under $100. Overall, I have to say this is really great and really impressive that Bass Pro could make something like this, because most cheaper baitcaster combos are junk and they absolutely suck. This is the first one that I was actually impressed with. Anyway, hope you found this video helpful and have a good one.